Be honest, when was the last time you ran your fingers through your hair without any fear? That tiny little panic you feel every time a few strands you see in the shower, it has become normal, hasn't it? Today we'll discuss 5 steps to reduce and prevent your hair fall. From teenagers to adults, men to women, hair fall has quietly turned into India's most common beauty problem, and yet we keep treating the symptoms. Changing oils, switching shampoos, trying home remedies, while the real reasons stay untouched. And so today we are breaking it down. No magic potions, no myths. Just 5 simple science-backed steps that anyone can follow to prevent and reduce hair fall. Step 1. Heal the scalp. Don't just treat your hair. The first mistake that most people make is that they treat hair fall from the wrong ends. Hair fall doesn't start in your strands. It starts beneath your scalp. Your scalp is a living skin. When it's covered with oil, sweat, dandruff, buildup, the roots and the follicles in your hair get suffocated. That's why you can oil your hair as much as you want. But if your scalp isn't clean, it won't absorb a drop. Here's how to fix that. Use a sulfate-free, pH-balanced shampoo 2 to 3 times a week. Once a week, do a scalp detox. Use a clay mask with active ingredients such as kaolin clay or bentonite clay, or use a mild scrub to clear buildup. Massage your scalp 5 to 10 minutes before washing with rosemary or coconut oil. These oils have been clinically shown to boost circulation and strengthen follicles. And please, skip overnight oil washes twice a week. Leaving oil 8 to 10 hours clogs pores and feeds dandruff causing fungus. Massage, rest it for 30 to 45 minutes and wash it off. A clean nourished scalp is equal to stronger roots. That is your foundation. Step 2. Strengthen hair from within. The second step is to nourish your hair inside out. Every strand of your hair is made up of keratin, a protein. If your diet is low in protein, vitamins or minerals, your hair will always look weak no matter what products you apply. And here's the harsh truth. 80% of Indians are vitamin D and iron deficient. That's why hair fall, thinning, slow regrowth have become so common. So here's what you can do. Add protein-rich foods like eggs, paneer, tofu, dals, lean meats daily. For iron, include spinach, beetroot, jaggery and dates. For zinc and biotin, add almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds and chickpeas. And for vitamin D, get 15 minutes of morning sunlight every day. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, get your levels tested. A doctor can recommend you plant-based supplements for biotin, zinc and vitamin D. Your shampoo may clean your scalp, but only your diet will keep your hair healthy. Step 3. Protect your hair from pollution, heat and stress. India's weather and lifestyle are not at all kind to our hair. UV rays, dust and city pollution create a film over your scalp, trapping toxins and weakening our cuticle layer, which is the outermost layer of our hair. But that's not the only damage. Every time you step out in harsh sunlight or ride without covering your hair, those rays break down keratin proteins, literally burning your strands slowly. Protect your hair like you protect your skin. Apply a leave-in serum or a UV protectant spray before you go out. Use scarf or caps on long commutes. After a dusty day, rinse your hair with plain water or rose water to remove buildup. And now let's talk about the invisible enemy. Stress. When you're constantly anxious, your body releases cortisol, which pushes your hair into the shedding phase faster. That's why people experience sudden hair fall during exam season, heartbreaks, or job stress. Stress management isn't luxury, it's literally a hair care step now. Step 4. Repair the damage that you've already done. Now, let's be honest, we have all punished our hair for beauty. Excessive straightening, hair coloring, chemical treatments, they all make your hair look great for a short period of time, but it destroys its structure for a long period. If your ends are dry, rough and frizzy, that means your cuticles are broken. It's like having a crack on the walls of the house. Here's how you can rebuild it. A protein or keratin mask once a week temporarily seals gaps in the damaged strands. Trim your ends every 6 to 8 weeks. Split ends travel upward and cause more breakage. Minimize heat styling, and if you must, use a heat protectant every time with a temperature under 180 degrees Celsius. For color treated hair, deep conditioning once a month isn't optional. It's survival. And remember, your hair doesn't repair overnight. Give it some time, at least one full growth cycle, which is about 3 to 4 months to see visible improvement. Step 5. Rest, routine and recovery. The last step, and the one which most people skip, is rest. Your hair grows in cycles. and the cycle is regulated by the circadian rhythm, which is your sleeping pattern. If you sleep less than 6 hours, stay stressed, or skip meals, your hair cycle collapses. So, even the healthiest scalp cannot maintain the growth. Here's what helps. Have a good 7 to 8 hours sleep a night. That's when your body regenerates keratin and collagen. Brush your hair evenly before bed. It distributes the oils evenly. Sleep on a satin pillowcase. It reduces friction and splitting. Try a 5-minute breathing exercise before bed. Calm body is calm hormones. Consistency matters more than perfection. A peaceful mind grows peaceful hair. India doesn't have a hair fall problem. We have a lifestyle problem. Too much stress, too little sleep, too many chemicals, not enough care. If we return to balance, that is, clean scalp, mindful meals, and gentle routines, our hair will too. Your hair doesn't need any miracles. It needs maintenance. If this video helped you understand how to reduce your hair fall, hit like and subscribe our channel. Also, if you have any questions regarding your hair and skin, drop them in the comments, because in the next video, we'll be answering your questions. That's it for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.